We are going to design laundry services poster or flyer using our mobile phone. Alright, so the first step is to remove the existing design and use a default background. Then we resize our image, resize the background. We are going to use 2 by 3. Okay, so this is what we have. So you go to the gallery and select the background. Here is the background. You take good, you expand it. Alright, we have to apply a shape. Apply gradient on the shape. Click on gradient. You click on this gradient and take good. Then return it and expand it. We are going to change the color to white. You click here and click on color. You enable it, then click on white. Alright, so the what we have. We are not done yet, so we add another image on the background. Let's use this image. You check good, you reduce it, and then reduce the opacity. Here is opacity. You click on the opacity, you enable it, then you reduce it to 30%. You check good. Okay. Alright, so you can go and lock our background. Click on your layer, then lock. You lock it and click on the layer again. Okay, so now our background is set. We need to bring up the items we need for the design, and one of the items is the washing machine. We reduce it. Okay, now let's bring up the name. We put some text. Let's put some text. You can type ISA. Okay, here is ISA. We can increase the size. Change the color to white, and change the font. Here's the font. You can use Mimi font. Okay, we have it in our Pixellab application. Then you can decide to add a shadow. Okay, you take good. You apply another shape. Apply a shape. Then you give it a color. You can give it a color and take good. You can reduce it, and then use another shape again to cut off out of it that we don't need. Alright, so you are going to merge the layers. You merge these two shapes together, then make use of our erase color, your enable. So that had to cut or create some shape. Okay, so we have this now. Now we need to add text again. The same text, we are going to copy that text. So you click on copy. Probably we are going to reduce the size. Then double click on it and change the name to, you can say, laundry. Either you say laundry service or you say plastic wash. Plastic wash. You can increase the size a bit and then reduce the white space. Okay, this is fine. Alright, so time to bring up the remaining design element. You click on the plus sign, click from gallery. From gallery, we have to bring up the basket. Click on the basket, still good. Go back again from gallery, you bring up the Omo, the detergent, it's still good. I'll reduce this one a little. You repeat the same process. You bring up the basket of towel. To design laundry flyer is very easy as long as you have all the design material resources. So please, if you are a first timer, please support us by subscribing and watch all our content. Give us a comment, a thumb up. Alright, we go back to the gallery again and bring the iron. It's too good. Reduce the size. Reduce the size, okay. Now we can add more shape to it to make it look good. Alright, so let's add some text again. You click on the plus sign, you click on text. If you double click on it, you can say our services too good. Reduce it. You can double click and make it calculator. It's good again. So this is what we have. But then you need to add a shape, a rounded shape. Reduce the radius. This is, or increase the radius. Then give it a color, a golden color, or a normal color. You can use this, and it is good. Too good. Then you bring this text to back. You bring it to front to enable this be Okay, so this is what we have now. So we can add more text. This text we need to apply color to it. Here's our color. Apply red color. It's too good. Now you can copy the text. This is copy, copy, copy text, and double click and write some text. Washing slash ironing to enter. You can still dry cleaning. It take down. Too good. Okay, now we change the text to black color. Look for black. Okay, here is black. It take good. Alright, you reduce the text size. We need to also bold the text. Apply bold. This is bold so that it will come out when printing. Alright, so the next stage is to duplicate the text again. You duplicate, that means to copy. Then use the position to move it down. Alright, we say good. You have to double click again and delete the text, then search for, then you can type home service, or you can say home service, slash pickup delivery. So done. Then you change the color back to red. Here is the color. It marked good. Okay, now you can also bring your phone number. You go back to the black text and duplicate. Use your position 2 and move it down. Double click, then write the phone number to 08162337303. You can make the text bigger so that people can see your contact. Okay, so you can duplicate it by clicking on copy. Now use the position 2. To move it. Okay, so now we need to bring the icon for phone call. We have it in our gallery. Under the download button, you will see where to download all these through the video description. Okay, here is the core icon, you check good, reduce the size. So you can move it, use the position to move it down. And reduce the size. So continue to reduce the size. Use the relative sizing. Okay, so I'm okay with this size now. You position to position it properly. Alright, so this is what I have. Then you can put a tagline and still duplicate this text. Duplicate the text. Click on copy. Then move it down. Double click, delete. Then you can write delivery classic wash and quality job. Okay, so you drag it all to be in one line. Then you can change the font. You go to font. Here is font. Now you click on recent. I'm using this Weather Sunday personal. You click OK. Alright, so here is the font. Then make sure it's centralized. Make sure it's centralized. To use your relative position and click on this center. Okay, it's done. You tick good. I can still use my position to move it down a little bit. Alright, so this is what I want. So I think those are the major things you need in designing a laundry services poster and flyer. This is do them well, giving you the best of the design experience. Please like our videos, subscribe. Alright, so finally you have to save. You click on save the project. You can say plastic wash. Alright, you click on done. You say okay. Alright, save, so that you can always go back to edit anytime you want to edit. They save as image again, so you can find it in your photo gallery. So you select the dimension, which is ultra. Then you click on save to gallery. Thank you for watching.